Hey, I'm Barney Toy and welcome to Clipper Bar here in Auckland, New Zealand. Clipper's a neighbourhood cocktail bar close to the CBD in a suburb called Ponsonby. We've been here for nearly 3 years now. The ethos here at Clipper is to bring drinks trends from around the world, mainly places like Australia and Europe, here to New Zealand. Our drinks are flavour forward. We focus on Aperitivo, light, bright, spritzy styles. We love highballs and really tropical flavours. I'm going to make a drink called the Bitter Rhubarb, which is from the zero alcoholic section of our menu. It's a drink that's loosely based on a Negroni or an Americano. We use the dry London spirit and the Italian orange. And then we do what's called batch bartending here, which we make the drink before guests even arrive. In here we have both the Lyres, and then we have a rhubarb and strawberry tonic, which is New Zealand tonic water that we mix with acidified strawberry and rhubarb juice, and then we carbonate the whole thing. It's just a super easy, simple serve when we just pour it over ice as soon as it's ordered, and then it's away. At Clipper we have a dedicated section to zero alcohol cocktails. It's a massive trend that we see growing overseas and now even more so here. Guests are wanting that kind of experience of drinking in bars, but not necessarily wanting to drink the alcohol. The reason we use Lyres here at Clipper is the amount of options we have to play around with. They're super flavour driven. The Italian orange lends into our kind of Aperitivo style. And we spend just as much time designing our zero alcoholic drinks as we do our full strength drinks in our menu. Thanks for joining me at Clipper. And if you're ever in Auckland, swing by. There's always a seat at the bar.